Good morning class. How are you students? Hope everyone is fine. Okay, let's start our class. Today our subject is English and this is your new chapter. Chapter number 25. This is your part 1. The name of the chapter is That is Your Bag, Not Mine. The name of the chapter is That is Your Bag, Not Mine. Okay? And these are the new words, the hard words. Let's read. Donkey, equal, helpful, carry, extra. Now come to the explanation part. Ram had 2 donkeys. How many donkeys Ram has? 2 donkeys. Okay students. He used to put bags of goods on their backs. Where he used to put the bags, the goods of the bags on their backs. See, look at this picture. The donkeys would carry the goods to the hills. They have to carry the goods to the hills very far. The master sold these goods to people living in the hills. The master sold, this is, the name of the master is Ram. They sold these goods very far on the top of the hill. One day what happened? Ram was going on a trip to the hills. Ram was going for a trip where? To the hill. He put equal number of bags on both the donkeys. 2 donkeys are Ram's donkey. He put equal number of bags he divided and then put it on the both donkeys' top. And then he went for a trip. Ram did not know that, Ram was not knowing that one of the donkey was ill. There was 2 donkeys. In one donkey he was not well. He was ill. The ill donkey said to the other, both donkey talking each other. He said, the ill donkey said to the other donkey, brother, I cannot carry this load. I am very sick. Please help me. The other donkey said, why I will help you? He was very clever. He didn't help him. He said, we have to do as our master said. This is our duty. The other donkey said, no, it's our duty. Our master, that Raju, that he has said, we have to do our work equally. That Ram, the name of the master. So I will not carry your loads. After walking for some time, when they are walking for some time onwards, the ill donkey, the donkey that was ill, became tired. He became tired. He was very tired. He said to the other donkey, then he said to the other donkey, brother, I am not feeling well. That brother, I am not feeling well. Can you take one of my bags? Can you take one of my bags? The other donkey was not kind and helpful. That the other donkey who was good and well, he was not kind and helpful. He replied, I already have 3 bags. See, I already have 3 bags. I am carrying mine, you carry yours. He was saying that you carry yours, I will carry mine. Saying this, they walked on. The ill donkey walked as far as the ill donkey was so much tired and so much sick. As they walked fire and fire on the top of the hill, he could and then fell down dead. How bad! That ill donkey fell down and he became dead also. So sad. So always you should help others. Okay students? One of his bag went over the hill. Ram was very sad. One of his bag went over the hill. When he fell down, one of his bag went over the hill. And that Ram, that master of that 2 donkeys, Ram was very sad. He sat down near the dead donkey. The dead donkey, he sat down near him. Then he took the 2 bags and the 1 bags were fell down and the 2 bags he took and then put on the other donkey and then put it on the other donkey. Now the other donkey felt sorry that he had not helped his ill brother. That ill brother, he was very sad, that donkey, that I should help him then so he may not dead. He would have to carry only 1 extra bag then. And he carried that old Raju only one extra bag. He would have to carry only one extra bag. One extra bag only he had to carry. He was just thinking himself that I should help him. Okay students, now this chapter is over. Come to the exercises. Number 1. This also you have to note it down in your book and copy both. Write the reply to the given statement from the story. We have to write the what replied the donkey from the story. We have to, this is the question. Can you take one of my bag? Only he was saying that one bag you please carry. Then what he said? I have already 3 bags. I am carrying mine, you carry yours. Come to the next question, number 3. Find words in the story which mean the following. We have to find the correct meaning of this. Number A, not well, meaning is ill, I-double-L, ill. Write it correctly in book and copy both and learn it properly. Number B, an outing, trip, T-R-I-P, trip. Number C, not happy, sad, S-A-D, sad. Number D, of the same number, equal, E-Q-U-A-L, equal. Come to the next page. Number 4, fill in the blanks with suitable words from the box. These are the words, we have to fill these blanks. Number 8, Ram was going on a trip, T-R-I-P, trip, to the hills. Number B, he put equal bags on both the donkeys, E-Q-U-A-L, equal. Number C, one of the donkey was ill, I-double-L, ill. Number D, the other donkey was not kind and helpful, H-E-L-P-F-U-L, full, helpful. Number E, the ill donkey fell down dead, D-E-A-D, dead. Come to the next question, number 5. Rewrite the following lines by putting the full stop and capital letters at appropriate places. That is a full stop and capital, that is a punctuation marks. These are the words. Let's read, and here is the answer. You have to write the same way, whether it is capital, full stop, you also have to do the same. Okay students, let's read. Ram and donkey reached Simla. He sold his goods there. Next day they came back. This is the answer. Ram is starting from capital letter because always whenever we are writing, the subject is a starting letter will be capital, and whether it is name, that is also will be capital. And the last we have to put full stop. Okay students, let's read. R will be capital, Ram and donkey reached Simla is the name. That S will be capital and then full stop. Again he started, then H will be capital. He sold his goods there last, then full stop. Again it started here, N will be capital. Next day they came back, last will be full stop. Okay students, you note it down. I am coming to the next chapter. Thank you bachcho, bye bye.